What's going on, everybody? Today I want to try this ArmorAll Ultra Shine Headlight Restoration Wipes. It says it restores headlights like new, so we'll see. I'm working on my 2007 Infiniti G35 sedan, and as you can tell, that headlight looks awful. Right here are the directions. So basically it says make sure your headlight is clean and dry, which I just cleaned mine and dried it. It says open one cleaning / oxidation removal pouch and remove wipe. Keep wipe folded to reduce evaporation. Scrub headlight with firm, even pressure in a horizontal back and forth motion. You will notice the oxidation residue beginning to be removed. Turn the wipe to the clean side, keeping the wipe folded. Continue to wipe, turning the wipe to clean section as needed until no residue is visible on wipe. Discard wipe. Open the second cleaning / oxidation removal pouch and continue wiping back and forth with firm pressure for at least 2 minutes. Note, though your headlight may appear clear, additional deep cleaning is necessary to ensure all oxidation is removed. Repeat 1 to 6 times on the other headlight. This has 4 oxidation removal wipes, and it also has 2 UV sealant wipes. So down here is the directions for the UV sealant protection. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, here's step 1. Cleaning / oxidation removal. It says get a wipe out, keep it folded, and use it in horizontal motion, which is left to right. Wow, just barely scrubbing too. Just flip over. It says keep wiping until no residue is left on the wipe. Now it says open up another wipe. Do it again for at least 2 more minutes. All right. Pretty much no more residues coming off, so let's see. Now to the sealant. It says ensure surface is dry before applying sealant. For best results, wipe surface clean with a lint-free towel. Open UV sealant protection pouch and pull out wipe. Apply to the headlight surface by wiping one direction, similar to applying a coat of paint. One wipe will coat 2 headlights, but use additional sealant wipe if needed. Avoid contact with painted surfaces. Let surface dry completely. Surface will be dry to touch in about 3 hours. Do not touch the surface and avoid contact with water until dry. If spotting or streaking occurs from water contact before fully dry, repeat step 1 and 2 with fresh wipes. I don't have no masking tape, so I'm just gonna wipe off any part where I touch the paint. I just got a little quick detailer on there and wiped it off. Let that dry and I'll come back. All right, y'all. This is about 15 hours later. Definitely looks a lot better. But this headlight is damaged. It has a hole in it and it's letting condensation in. That's not the headlight restoration kit's fault. But here's the driver's side. As you can tell, I would definitely recommend this headlight kit.